Girl, we gotta talk. Like 2025 exposed me to some amazing beauty products and they have been in heavy rotation, girl. So I have to share with y'all.
Get your life, plan it out. You can go as far as you can dream. Edges laid, curls popping. She's a doctor of pharmacy.
Hey y'all, and welcome back for another video. We are gonna have fun with today's video because I am literally recapping all of my beauty faves from 2025 that were new to me in my collection but are no longer strangers. Like when I say we've been in heavy rotation, we've gotten well acquainted, okay? So y'all sit back, grab a drink, listen, grab a little snack, and we're gonna get into these products. Before we get started, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. My name is Bianca, so happy to have you over here. And if you enjoy everything lifestyle, pharmacy, and natural hair, you in the right place, sis. Like, go ahead and subscribe. Like, go ahead and join the fam so that you don't miss any of my uploads for the year. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get us the reason why you're here, okay? Was that a bar? I think that was a bar. Come on, bars. All right, so first up is none other than L'Occitane's shower oil. This is their almond collection, the almond oil. Girl, first of all, the scent on this, when you hear almond, I want you to literally think almonds. Like, ooh, this is so fresh and so good. Now let me explain. So the shower oil, the way you use this is last. I use it last. But let me tell you how I use it. Last in my shower routine to lock in the moisture. So it is an oil, but you do use it inside of the shower, which was new to me. Like, I really had to grow on like the concept of a shower oil in the, like, water and oil don't mix. So it was just like, But once I got there, once I understood, oh, it changed the game. Like when I tell you my skin is so soft, I'm talking about non-stop. Like today I can put the shower on tonight and tomorrow morning, my skin is still soft. Tomorrow afternoon, my skin is still soft. Like this literally locks in the moisture and it's so long lasting and it just sets the tone. Like it smells so amazing. I would recommend this time and time again. So shout out to L'Occitane for introducing me to the whole concept of a shower oil. We're going to stay on brand with L'Occitane. This is their supple skin oil. So this is the one that you use outside of the shower. Now I don't want to waste my product, but I'm gonna show y'all. That's how much I love y'all. This spray, just watch. Make sure y'all can see. I just sprayed a little bit right there. Can y'all see that? Right here. And I'm gonna rub it in. Y'all can't even see it anymore. Like when I tell you it smells like a spa. Like imagine almonds in a spa. Did that make sense? I thought I said it out loud. I'm like, wait, what? But the scent is almonds, but it gives you that spa like that spa feel. Like this absorption, the absorption on this oil, unmatched, and it's long lasting. It really makes your skin supple, like so much so to the point where when we went to the Dominican, the lady was doing a massage on my feet on the beach. She had to stop and ask me what type of skin products I use because she was like, oh my gosh, your skin is so soft. Like I never had people that have skin this soft naturally before I use my products, period. It was in that moment that I knew, okay, all right, L'Occitane, you doing your big one, and we love that. So check out L'Occitane Skincare, 10 out of 10 would recommend. Next up is from Tatcha Skincare. This is their water cream, very lightweight moisturizer. This was actually gifted to me in PR, and I've actually recently started using it faithfully every single day and night. And I have acne prone skin. Usually products like this are hit or miss. Like if it's very lightweight, it can almost be too lightweight, but this one is perfect. Like it absorbs into my skin. It doesn't feel heavy. I can go in with a sunscreen afterwards if I need to. If not, that's fine too. And the way the applicator is, I think it's so cute because it has this little spatula and you open it and you just kind of scoop up what you need. So I am literally almost running out of this. Now the price point is hefty. She's up there. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I don't think I would be purchasing this again once I empty it just because I think it's like $80. I'm gonna have to put the price on the screen, but I can't even imagine paying that much for a facial moisturizer. I'm sorry, unless I had like a gift card, which I think I do have a gift card to Sephora actually. So I don't know, we might use our gift card. Next is actually from It Cosmetics. This is their Sun Blush. But the actual consistency of this product, y'all can probably see it on the camera, it's very like pudding, mousse, soft. Like when I tell you it blends so easily. Like y'all know I'm a beginner and makeup girly. Like I ain't there yet with all the technique and all that, but I'm getting there. This blends so well that you only need a little bit, and because it's so soft, it literally melts into your skin. Love, love, love it. I actually need to pick up other colors. This shade is really good for the summertime because it gives you that sun bronze, like sun-kissed type of look, which is beautiful, especially if you're on vacation or like it's just a sunny day, you have on a little cute sundress or what have you. But girl, not me dropping the lid. But I really, really love the formulation. Now this next product, I don't feel like a lot of people are new to this. Like the girls have been raving about it, but I love it. Like this is the L'Oreal Infallible 3-Second Settings Mist. This is on the ground. It's at Ulta Beauty. And the price point is very reasonable. Now when you spray it on, you do need to close your eyes, your mouth, don't breathe. And even after you finish spraying, you need to let it sit for at least, count to 3 seconds or something before you open your eyes, maybe 5 seconds. Because it might give you a little burn, I'm just saying. But definitely worth it, would highly, highly recommend. Girl, next up is, listen, clearly from my empties pal, I need to re-up. It's so good though. This is the Versed Good Defense Daily Sunscreen SPF 50. It does have ceramide in it as well, so it kind of doubles as a moisturizer sunscreen. It doesn't have that sunscreen scent, which I really enjoyed because you don't always want to smell, especially like if I'm not going to a beach, I'm just going to work, I don't want to smell no sunscreen. Like y'all know that smell I'm talking about. This one doesn't have that. Like I felt like I was just putting on a moisturizer, and I ended up using this right after my serum as essentially a moisturizer with SPF, and it worked perfectly. Like non-greasy, gave me enough gave me enough moisture. Why am I trying to add endings to the word? Give this a try if you have never heard of the brand. I highly recommend a lot of their products. As y'all can see, I also will be restocking this very, very soon, child, because she is non-existent at this point. I have used her to the bone. Next up is actually from Urban Decay. This is their Slick Day Brow. And this is actually a product that was put on to me by Nas. Shout out to her. That's my girl. Love her down. If you do not follow her on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, like tap in. She just gives so much knowledge regarding content, beauty, like all the things, girl. But I digress. But now listen, let's get into the product, because my brows, as y'all can see, I have thick brows naturally. So gels on my brow is an essential, because otherwise they be all over the place by the middle of the day, by the end of the day. Now this, yes, is a stick, and I've actually realized, like, honestly, after this video, I need to just toss her, because instead of when I'm using it, so you take it out and it has the little bristles and you go into your brow with it, it does a really good job, because it has the bristles, of getting all of your hairs. So you don't have to worry about like going back in with a spoolie and all that. No, this does the job because of all the tiny little bristles. I need to honestly throw this away. Throw this away and get a new one now that I look at it, because when I'm opening it up and doing my brows, like if I have foundation, concealer, any debris on my brow, I'm bringing it right back in here. Yeah. Which is crazy to even say out loud. So the next time I get one of these, what I'll do is I'll wipe this off before I put it back in here, just to preserve it. But anywho, this product would highly, highly recommend. Next up is from Glow Recipe. This is their Watermelon Glow Dew Balm SPF 45 with niacinamide. And it is a little stick. It kind of looks like a chapstick, which is one of the reasons I love it. Number one, you don't have to touch it. Like when you're out and about and you need to reapply your sunscreen, you don't always have access to soap and water to go wash your hands or sanitizer. You know what I mean? Like you don't always want to touch your skin, especially not your face, if your hands are not clean. Am I the only one? I know I ain't. Hopefully I'm not. But that's what stood out to me about this, because you literally, it's a stick. So you put it in your purse and you rub it on, and I don't know if y'all can see that little shine, but all you do is rub it onto your skin, whether it's your face, your neck, wherever you need to rub it onto, and it's a done deal. If I don't have on any makeup, I'll put this on the beginning of the day, or I'll put it on before I put my makeup on, and my makeup layers well on top of it as well. And then look how cute and compact this is. Next is from Lawless. This is their, let me give y'all the right name, the Lawless Perfecting Powder Talc Free Skin Smoothing Brightening Powder. This is in the shade Marigold. Now, I actually use the shade Tan. For the oily girls, or anybody for that matter, that need to set their foundation, set their concealer, whatever you need to set, this is so good. Like, so good. And again, beginner friendly. So shout out to the beginner friendly makeup girlies. We need more products for us, because I feel like it's hard out here sometimes trying to blend, do the things. Like, some of those loose powders be giving ghost for me, right? Ghost. I'm getting better, but I'm just saying, like, something like this is it's compact and it can really get in there and do the job. And now that I think about it, this Marigold, I was gonna say scent, this Marigold shade would actually look good under my eye. So we will be actually putting this shade to use in 2025. By the time you put this on and you go in with the setting spray, oh baby, like, you ain't gotta worry about oil for the whole night. Like, it'll be a matte, soft skin-like finish, and it's so good. Like, so good. Next is from the brand Eadem, and this is in the shade Guava Fresca. This is their lip softening balm. I actually have it on today, but I heard so many good things about this brand, and I love me a good soft, like, lip balm, lip oil, something I can take like in my work bag, leave it at my desk, and re-up throughout the day. That's my type of carrying on. And so when I found out about this brand, it was a no-brainer for me to try it. And the shade that I have on right now, you probably can't really pick up the pigment, but it is, let me see if I can put some more on. It is like a pink, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it is like a pink berry type of shade. And it just feels so, like, it says lip softening balm. It really does soften your lips, and it feels more like a chapstick, but you know that you have on a gloss. You know what I mean? Like, when people look at you, they're gonna see gloss, but you don't feel like sticky, or I don't know, some glosses are not done correctly. It doesn't peel your lips. It doesn't leave the white residue on the inside. It's good. Next is another lip product. This is from Cocokind. This is their Ceramide Lip Blur Balm, and this is in the shade Be Powerful. So it's like a nude clear type of shade. I also have the deep brown shade. Now, the pigment on the deep brown, oh, she is dark. Like, the pigments on these definitely pick up. Now, these little charms, y'all see the little bee? So cute. This actually did not come with the lip balm. It came separate, but they have a ton of different letters, the whole alphabet, child. But then they also have like Cocokind, Be Kind, different little sayings. So I love this brand. Priscilla is the owner. She's so personable and so intentional with all of the product launches that it just feels like you know her on a one-on-one level, even though you really don't. And I love brands that have the founder as the face of the brand too. So these two should be in your rotation, baby, for the year. Go ahead and grab you one. Last but definitely not least is actually a fragrance from Mugler Fragrance. This is their Alien Extra Intense. And my God, today, like this, I have never seen a fragrance that is this long lasting. I'm not even exaggerating. Like, you put this on in the morning before you leave for work, and you come home 5, 6 p.m., you smell like you just got out the shower and you just put this on. I'm talking about compliments left and right. You walk by, somebody's like, ooh, what are you wearing? You walk into a room to check in somewhere. Like, I went to my doctor's office to check in. Girl, the plastic was on the front. You know how they have the little privacy thing they slide open? As soon as she slid that open, she said, oh my gosh, what are you wearing? Like, that's what I'm talking about. Love that. Like, this is so good, and it smells really, really good. I'll have to put the notes on the screen for y'all. But this year was the first year I got introduced to Mugler, and it really blends well with the scents that I like vanillas, that almond oil from L'Occitane, and this on top. Girl, stop playing. Stop playing. Like, this just screams my name. So shout out to Mugler Fragrance. They've actually gifted me all 3 of those fragrances. I'm so grateful for that. But they smell amazing, and I never would have known about the brand otherwise. So if you ever see them in the stores, please smell it. Like, spray it on you. I guarantee you will still smell it when you get home. I really got into my layering bag this year, and just literally knowing how to spray a perfume. I'm talking 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Like, I am spraying all over, baby. We getting every single pressure point, all the things. Like, I have been putting dents in my perfumes, and I'm so proud of me. But I digress, girl. Mugler Fragrance, don't forget it. That's all I have for y'all. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video. I really enjoy doing videos like this because that gives me a full 12-month span to really think like, okay, what have I been using in heavy rotation that I would highly recommend, products that have shown time and time again results. Like the proof is in the pudding, y'all. I'm telling y'all, these products are so good. So let me know if you're gonna try any of these, which ones you're gonna try first. And other than that, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.